people who work in front of computers for extended hours, lower back stiffness and pain is a very common problem. In most cases, this happens because extended sitting leads to weakness of hips, hamstring, and lower back muscles. Weak muscles are unable to support our weight and keep our spine in the correct posture, which causes pain. With time, the back becomes the weakest link in the body, and pain slowly permeates to other parts like the upper back, hips, knees, and even the foot. In this video, you will see some simple stretching and strengthening exercises for your lower back. I would recommend that you do these exercises in the morning at least 3 days a week. However, if you have lower back pain along with pain that radiates to your legs, I recommend you see a doctor, as this can be a sign of a disc-related injury. Let's start with stretches for hamstrings, hips, and lower back. Tightness in these muscles often causes lower back pain. Lie straight on a yoga mat and take your left knee towards your chest. Hold with your hands just below your knees and pull towards your chest as much as you can comfortably. You should feel a stretch in your hamstring and hips. Hold for a count of 10 or about 10 seconds. Keep breathing. Then move your left leg back to horizontal position and switch legs. Repeat 5 repetitions with each leg, a total of 10 repetitions. In this exercise, start with your legs folded and then cross your left leg over your right and then pull back with your hands holding just below your knee. Hold for a count of 10. You should feel a good stretch in your hips and lower back. Go back down slowly and switch legs. Repeat 5 repetitions with each leg. Remember to not overstretch to a point of pain. You should feel a gentle stretch in your muscles. In this exercise, start with your legs horizontal on the mat. Then slowly bring your legs towards your chest. With your hands placed below your knees, gently pull and hold for a count of 10. Keep breathing and do not lift your head off the floor. Repeat 10 times. Stretching your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back will let the blood flow into these muscles and loosen them. This will help relieve stiffness and pain. Fold your legs so your feet are flat on the floor. Put your hands beside you a bit away from the body and your head on the ground. Now rotate your legs to one side while keeping your hands on the floor. Keep breathing. Then slowly rotate to the other side as much as you can comfortably. Repeat 10 times. In our daily routine, we hardly ever rotate like this, which causes stiffness. This exercise will loosen your lower back and help relax the spine. Once we are done with these basic stretches, let's move on to some strengthening exercises for our core, which includes the lower back and abdominals. A strong core will help support your spine and eliminate lower back pain. Lie with your face down on the yoga mat and hold your hands behind your back. Pull your abdominal muscles as if you are pulling your belly button towards your spine and try to keep them like this throughout this exercise. Now lift your shoulders slowly using your lower back and hip muscles and hold for a count of 10. Keep breathing. You do not have to go up too much. Just lift your shoulders a few inches from the floor. Also keep your neck straight and relaxed. Then go down slowly. Repeat 10 times. You should feel the lower back muscles working along with your abdominal muscles. Again, lie with your face down, but this time your hands are extended in front of you. Keep your abdominal muscles pulled towards your spine and try to keep them like this throughout this exercise. Now slowly lift your right hand and left leg about 6 inches from the floor and hold for 10 seconds. Keep breathing. You will feel the tension in your lower back and hip. Then come down slowly and switch. Raise your left hand and right leg this time and hold for a count of 10. Repeat 10 times in all, which makes it 5 times for each hand. This exercise will strengthen your lower back and abs. For this exercise, lie on your back with knees folded and feet flat on the ground. Put your hands crossed on your chest. As in the previous 2 exercises, it is important to pull your belly button towards your spine. Keep doing this throughout the exercise. If it becomes loose, just focus and pull the belly button in again. Now slowly lift your shoulders a few inches off the floor and hold for a count of 10. then go back slowly. Repeat 10 times. This exercise will get your abdominal muscles toned. Remember that your lower and middle spine should be in touch with the floor all the time. So do not lift your shoulders too much. This is a mistake that a lot of folks make, and this can cause injury. Lie on your back with knees folded and feet flat on the floor. Put your hands on your sides. Now tighten your stomach muscles to pull your belly button towards your spine and lift your hips so you form a straight line from your knees, hips to chest. Keep breathing. Hold for a count of 10. Then come down slowly, keeping your stomach muscles tight. Repeat 3 times. This and the previous exercises are great to strengthen your core, which includes your lower back and inner abdominal muscles. Having a strong core is the key to stabilizing your spine, supporting your body weight, and getting rid of low back pain. However, do not overexert. If at any point you feel pain or are tired, you should stop. With time, as your strength and flexibility increases, these exercises will become easy for you, so do not rush. Take your time and progress slowly. Also, remember to go for a 30-minute walk at least 3 times a week to help manage back stiffness and pain, or avoid it in the first place. If you like this video, please share it with friends and colleagues, and also subscribe to the channel to get regular updates.